is so much that we need to do to get Abundant Acres to where we want it to be. And one of the chores we needed to do is we needed to move this wood pile from here to here. Where we had the wood pile was kind of a terrible place for it, but it was easy access, so that's why it was put there. But now that we have the pin tore down, we're able to access the fence row, so we're moving it over there. That way the wood pile is out of the way.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
I have no idea, but there is a gigantic hole right there.
Really?
Yeah, like huge.
Oh, it's probably a groundhog hole.
Like, get close enough so they can see how big it is.
Yeah.
It's a big giant snake is what it is.
No, it's an anaconda. Let me get that one.
You got that one?
Anywhere, somewhere, we won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes.
Look. There's my side of the golf cart. Look, a big giant hole.
I kind of forgot.
Yeah, I kind of forgot.
Look how much ground we lost. From the fence to there, I bet it's, I got to take it right here. I gotta know.
Now you have to know.
I have to.
What are you doing, hooking it on the fence?
Yep. Hook it on the fence. Oh. "28 feet of ground
That we've lost?
that we lost. 28 feet right here.
That's a lot of ground.
It is a lot of ground.
Someday, I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor.
It's falling over. Who stacked that?
Clearly somebody don't know how to stack firewood.
Clearly that was me.
And you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
bees, having flies. What else do they call
Corn flies.
Corn flies?
Corn flies. I don't know what else. Somebody else called them something else the other day, and I never heard that before, but I can't remember what it was.
You know what I call them?
Pests.
Annoying.
Cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through.
There's some walnut. Oh, somewhat that almost looks like red bud.
And who would be cutting my redbud trees down?
You.
Your blue eyes.
We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too?
There we go.
Just look at it, will you?
The wildcat.
There's the jaguar.
The jaguar. The good part about having that in the fence row between the trees is we won't have to worry so much about all that growing up, because like he showed you earlier, where we had lost so much from all the overgrowth of the like bushes and stuff like that, we won't have to worry about it as much because it'll all be blocked from here. So keep all the crap back there, and then we won't lose as much land. And it'd be nice if they'd keep the poison ivy out.
You can ride all the blue.
I wanna do what you want to.